Oh, baby, look what came in the mail. We got the package. So let me go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh, welcome to the channel, by the way. Oh, man. I don't know what it is about getting stuff in the mail. I don't know. It's like Christmas, you know? Except unless it's a bill. Now that, I don't appreciate. Not at all. All right, let's see what we got here. I went ahead on Amazon. Oh, let me see. Okay. I went ahead on Amazon and got a, oh, this thing got some weight to it too. And got a water converter or a water diverter so I can collect water off of the gutters. And this is what we're looking at right here. We got the main piece here, right there. It looks like, now this is some pretty good PVC, nice hard plastic, kind of a PVC-ish type of plastic. We're looking at, what, a 2x3 maybe? Let's see, one, two, yep, three. So we're looking at about 2x3, the standard hole for a home downspout. I guess that's what you call that. You put the downspout in these little slots here, whichever one you have, however big the size of the downspout. So that goes on the bottom of the downspout like so. This is the top of the downspout. There should be some instructions in here. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see what we got here. So we got this nice little picture chart here of how this thing operates and how this thing works. All right, so we got this piece with these 4 metal sticks here. All right, this is number 1. So let's add these like so. I'm trying to quickly do this because the clouds are moving very quickly and the wind has picked up. We're supposed to be having some type of storm coming our way. So this is what this looks like right there. Let's see. Step 2, yep, put them in, I did that. Step 3, okay, I did that. Step 4, oh, okay. This is what we need right here, this piece. We're gonna put this here, like so, front to front. There we go. If I can. There we go, it's in, just like so. All right, front to front. Put that right there. Let's see, now we want to put that in the base. This is the base right here. So we're going to drop this in here, like so. All right, let's turn around, step 7. Step 7, what's step 7? Oh, okay. Step 7, we put it in there, we just did that. Then step 8 is to take the top right here. Now this does have a lid. We're gonna be using this for the size of the downspout that we have, or the gutter that we have. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. But anyway, let's see. So we put that on like so. Oh boy. It should close. I would think it would close. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Okay, there it is. It closes. It goes inside. It goes inside. Okay, like so. Okay, so what I need to do, let's take this right there. I need to make sure and get a marking of how much gutter I need to cut. So, because we're going to need to cut our gutter, our downspout. All right, so here's my barrel right here. I'm thinking about right here. This thing will come out and the hose will go down into the barrel like so. So I'm thinking this is a probably good spot right here. Let's go. All right, let's see. We're gonna cut right here. Yeah, right there. Now it's gonna go down a little bit, just a hair, because we got these slots in here. So it's gonna go down about an inch. Okay, so so we're gonna cut here. It's gonna go down about an inch, like so. So we want to cut probably somewhere. Let's see. I'm thinking maybe somewhere about right here. Yeah, something like that. Now we want to put this thing back together so we can add it to the downspout. So we had this going into this front. We got our front piece. It's going toward the ground. Our front piece is this big lip here. So we're gonna line that up. I know how to do it now. I know how to do it now. There we go. It is in. It is in. Okay, now we put this in the bottom piece. Nice and easy, right? There we go. There we go. Fits nice and snug. Okay, so let's go over here and put it on the bottom of the downspout. So we're just gonna set this right here on the downspout here. Oh boy. Okay. I think I might need to cut a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Now we go. Now we talking nice and snug. Just like that. I might need to cut a little bit more off of this top piece because it's a little bit too far down. Well, maybe. Take this piece. Let's put it up like so. There we go. See how it goes up like that? Let me raise you up a little bit. Yeah, see how that goes up? Just like that. Now we're gonna take this, make it go up, and then we're gonna bring it right on down inside the bottom piece. Just like that. Just like that. Now, we have to get our holes squared away so that we can divert it into the rain barrel. All right, it does come with a stopper so you can stop the water flow. This will have over here, so we have our hose connected to it to go into the barrel. So we can come out and stop the flow of water if we so choose. Now it's just a matter of, let's see, putting it on. Okay, so we know that this goes on like so, okay? And so I'm gonna need to take this off and put it on here. Yeah, so let's take this off. Okay, so we got one of these. We got one of these, which is just a plug, okay, to stop up the one half because we don't need water flow going through. And we have this, which I'm not sure what this does. Not exactly sure. Okay, so, all right, so take that off. So just like a water barrel, we're gonna take this, can I put it? Yep. I'm gonna take this, take it off. We're gonna screw this right through. We're gonna put this right through the hole. See, there's a hole here and a hole there, so we're gonna put right through the hole here, okay? Screw it. It does have a washer right here, It does have a washer on it, which, okay, it's cool. All right, I'm just gonna hand tighten it like so. It's just hand tight. I don't think you need anything. I mean, if it leaks a little bit, that's okay. I'm not mad at that. Then let's go ahead and put this one on. All right, also got a washer on this, or a O-ring, or whatever you want to call it, on this one as well. So let's put it through this hole here. And yes, I am trying to rush because the clouds are coming in quick. I mean, quick, quick. And I'm not trying to get rained on while I'm putting this thing together. I want this thing to be, okay, hand tight. Dun, 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 dun. Get green here in a minute. Okay. Let's see. We're doing it this way, like this. The hose needs to come out of this side, so this I can plug. I can plug up. And this also has a little O-ring on it. Plug this up, just like so. All right. Now we got our valve. We're just gonna screw this in right here. It's a nice valve too. I mean, you know, it's a really good. Nothing feels cheap. It feels really good. I think I paid $27 for this thing. Let me rotate it around to the top. Actually, that you know what? We're going to put ours to the front. So this is off, and that is on. Okay, we're not going to put it at the top. We're going to put it on the front, like so. We'll cat a corner it, like so. All right, this is what we're going to put in this to so we can attach a hose to it. All right, there we go. Hand tight. Doesn't need to be super tight. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Okay, so now we got everything going. We're good. Let's go ahead and put this back on. Put this bottom piece in the gutter. There we go. Right there. We already got our top piece right here. That fits in this hole. Now we just need to bring this down like so, nice and snug, like a bug in a rug. And then we bring this down like so. Voila. Look at there. Look at there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now I will say, you may, if you're asking or if you're wondering, there are holes, as you can see, for nails if you want to put nails to secure this thing. Right now, I mean, there is a little bit of a movement. Hopefully the gutter will hold up. And there is nail holes on this side too, slots for that, but I'm not gonna be able to put anything in this brick. So if I were to put anything, it would be here. And right now, I don't see myself doing that. Not now anyway. Maybe later, maybe in the future. I really don't want to poke a hole in the siding. I will figure out a way to somehow keep this thing a little bit more secure, but it's about to rain. The clouds are moving in fast, and I mean fast. The wind has picked up. So I'm going to attach the hose onto this, put it into the barrel, and then we should be good to go. This is just an old hose I have laying around. I mean old, and it looks like it. So this is what we're going to use for now until I can get something else. So I'm going to lay this in the second barrel. Actually, I can cut this and put it in the first barrel here. But let's go ahead and attach this. Okay, we are good. Toss that out of the way. and we're good to go. Rain comes in, diverts right through here, right into the water barrel. Beautiful. I'll put the description of this, I'll put the link of this diverter in the description area. I did get it off of Amazon. I think it was $27 with tax and all. I think it came to 20 and shipping. Well, it's free shipping, but with tax, I think it came down to $29 or something like that. All right, let me show you what I have so far with the rain barrel. All right, I tried to do something different this time with the water barrels. The last time I had white water barrels, and I had them all up there, and it was, I want to say 3 of them, and they basically connected at the bottom to each one. Okay, so when the first one got water in it, all 3 of them would level out because they're all attached at the bottom, and they would all level out. The problem is we weren't getting a lot of water. We wasn't getting a lot of rain. And because they were leveling out, they would hardly get past half full. You know what I'm saying? Because they're, again, leveling out. You're leveling out the water with 3 barrels. So if you got a full gallon, now split that in thirds, you see. So you hardly got enough water to fill 1 barrel. So what I did this time was, instead of, let me go to barrel number 1. With barrel number 1, this is also getting water. I'm using the old spout that I used with the white barrels. This does have a little water in it, but basically when this water gets full, or when this barrel gets full, the water is going to flow down at the top and pour into this barrel. And there is water in this barrel. So I know that it works. Okay, and the reason I did it this way is so this barrel will stay full. I want this barrel to stay full so my wife can use the water that's in this barrel. Now, this barrel I have connected at the bottom on the ground. Now, see, I'm just kind of trying this out to this barrel. So barrel number 2 and barrel number 3, they're going to share the water. So they're going to level out. Okay, they're going to level out. And then when the water gets high enough, it's going to go through that PVC and then pour into this barrel. And then when this barrel gets high enough, it's going to go through that little PVC pipe right there and then pour into this barrel. Or, because now I got this diverter, when this barrel gets high of water, it's going to pour into this barrel and then pour into this barrel and then equal out with that barrel and then pour into the front barrel if the water gets that high. So that's my water barrel system as of right now. Now, these water barrels were free to me. So I'm just kind of trying this out, this new system, and hopefully it works. So I ain't got to get more water barrels and do anything else. Hopefully it works, but we shall see. It's about to rain. Hopefully it will rain and give us a nice little amount of water. I'm really excited about this downspout or this diverter here. That should really help add more water to the system so that my wife and I have rainwater to use rather than using the chlorine-filled water from the spigot. That's the plan. But anyway, there you have it. The gutter, downspout, whatever you want to call it, diverter. I will leave a link down in the description of what this thing is and the cost and the price at Amazon. And make sure you subscribe, tap the like button, hit the bell icon, and I'll holler at you in the next one. Peace.